Okay, Algebra 1 students, today we're practicing inequalities. So we're learning to graph on a number line. And an inequality, what that means is it's anything that's not equal to something else. So if I've got not equal to, that's an inequality. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Those are all types of inequalities. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 possibilities. Okay, and how you graph them for this one, and this one. Say x is greater than 1. Because there's no equal to sign, we're going to go to the number 1 and circle it with an open dot. Say we've got x is less than or equal to negative 2. Then I'm going to go to negative 2 and I'm going to use a closed dot. Fill it in. Okay? The next thing you're going to do, going back to x is greater than 1, greater than, you see how the numbers get greater as you go to the right. So you're going to shade in from that open dot to the right. And just open because this one's not equal to in this example. For this one, you got x is less than or equal to negative 2. The equals we already represented with the closed dot. The less than will represent going to the left because our numbers get less as you go to the left. Okay? So now, some things to remember, keywords. If you hear is fewer than, below, under, that's going to be less than. If you hear at most, no more than, that will be less than or equal to. Greater than or equal to is going to be if you hear words like at least. You know, I have at least 5 dogs. Okay, so you don't know how many I have exactly, but I definitely have 5 or more. It can also be no less than. You would also represent with the greater than or equal to sign. With the greater than sign, you would hear words like is more than, or over, or above, okay? So we're going to do lots of word problems that have to deal with that. So make sure that you are memorizing these terms and understanding when to use them.